Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Self-care is really important to me, and one of the things that I've started implementing into my skincare routine is this LED light from Holsn. One of my favorite things about it is that it has 7 different wavelengths of light. That means it can address all kinds of different things that I might be dealing with. I've found that with consistent use of an LED light, my skin has continued to improve and to look better. One of the things that I love about this particular machine is that you can do more than just your face with it. So one of the areas that I like to target is my chest and décolletage, and I love that this targets that really well. I found that with consistent use, my knee moves more freely, and I love that because of the design here, I can fit my leg easily into that. One of the other features that is different about this one than other machines is it has the option for an ultrafine mist. That can help to keep your skin hydrated as you use the machine. It also has so many different options, like being able to increase or decrease the power of the wavelength, choosing an alternating color, so you can go through all 7 colors or just a couple, or just do one color, and the time frame goes all the way up to 60 minutes. So this machine really has so many great options. I found this machine to be so easy and convenient to use. I love that I can take those moments for self-care while improving my skin. I really enjoy using it, and that's my point of view.